My name is Sheila Pullen, and I'm the branch manager of Syrian Staffing Services. We have 7 employees currently that work in our office, and we employ over 270 temps each week. The biggest factor I do think is the customer service. It's nice when you're a small business to be able to get on the phone and talk to someone, instead of feeling like you're lost out there, in the big pond. And the services that Edge provides we get accurate results and quick turnaround time and affordable prices. It's a good experience. I normally have 1 or 2 people that I call directly and they're available, and I'm able to, get the customer service, get someone on the phone right away. So I've always had a very good experience with the customer service with Edge. I email because I tend to forget my password a lot. And so they're always very helpful, and they, take care of things immediately. If I have a question on an MRO, email works well, and very quick response. We use the software every time to set up a drug test or the screenings, but easy to use, and have not ever had any problems with it. We're definitely growing. We've had seen an increase this year in the number of employees that we've placed on assignments, and that has continued to and should continue to increase. And when we have more jobs to fill and more temps working, then that also affects our internal staff, where we need to increase hiring. All of the employees in our office have access and do their own entries into WebScreen. WebScreen is a very easy program to use. I'm also very excited about the new changes that have taken place recently, and think that they are going to be very beneficial. I would recommend Edge to another company, especially another small business. The customer service that you receive, the ease of use of WebScreen are just 2 of the reasons that I feel that makes Edge stand out amongst other suppliers.
Excellent.